Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with Indian Penal Code. Okay, under section 489A to 489E, under topic offences relating to currency notes and bank notes. Offences relating to currency notes and bank notes. Okay, let's start. Here, section 489 of IPC explained about counterfeiting currency notes or bank notes, or knowingly performing any part of the process of counterfeiting such notes. The punishment provision is imprisonment for life or imprisonment up to 10 years and fine. Okay. Section 489 of IPC, those who are knowingly using a genuine or otherwise trafficking in forged or counterfeit currency note or bank notes, that particular person punished by the law. Here the punishment provision is imprisonment for life or imprisonment up to 10 years and fine as per the section 489B. Okay. Section 489C explain about those who have possession with knowledge of such notes for such use, etc. That particular person, based on this Indian Penal Code, punished by the same section, the imprisonment up to 7 years or fine or both. Okay. Section 489D of Indian Penal Code explain about those who making or possessing instrument or materials for forging or counterfeiting currency note or bank notes shall be imprisonment for life or up to 10 years and also fine. Okay. And section 489E of Indian Penal Code explain those who making or causing to be made or using or delivering documents resembling currency notes or bank notes. Okay, that particular person shall be punished by this section. That means fine up to 100 rupees. Okay students, now it's clear this section, offense relating to currency notes and bank notes. That's all. This portion also very simple and section also very simple. You just follow what is the method and what is the section will apply. That's all. Okay, the simple matter. Okay students, you just give awareness to all the people, because they only protect this type of error. And also I just wanted to discuss with you all, first to read it properly. Somebody thinking this is section and all, it's rhythmatically, not like that. If Indian Penal Code is a section wise, and as per the act saying, act is will not delete any one person. Okay, so act saying that rhythmic and line by line, that is statement. That's all. Our explanation is secondary sources. Based on this act only we are explaining all the sections. Okay, we are not giving any story like this. Okay. Okay students, watch it regularly without any compulsion. Okay, if you are watching regularly, you can get fruit of your legal profession also. Those who are watching this online classes, forward this videos to your friends. Okay, they will also benefited. Okay. Okay students, take care, bye, all the best.